Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today's video is all about how to grow the Madagascar dragon tree. Dracaena marginata, or the Madagascar dragon tree, is the perfect houseplant for beginners. It's low maintenance and will tolerate low light levels and irregular water, lasting for years. Dracaena marginata is an evergreen shrub that can grow tall. It has long, sword-shaped, dark green leaves, which are finely edged with a reddish brown. But there are a few different varieties. The lower leaves gradually fall away to reveal a thin trunk. The tree looks good on its own, and it's great for providing height among a group of houseplants. This Dracaena prefers a bright or lightly shaded spot out of direct light, but will also tolerate quite low light levels. But you should know that if it's kept at low light, it won't grow as quickly or use water as efficiently, so you'll need to take extra care not to overwater it. Rotate your plant every week or so to avoid it growing in one direction towards the light. Your plant should be watered whenever the top inch of soil has dried out completely. In a home environment, this will probably equate to once a week in summer, but as little as once or twice a month in winter. The plant is tolerant of erratic watering, so if in doubt, don't water. If, however, your soil becomes very compacted, consider soaking the plant thoroughly on its next watering to loosen the soil and flush out any salt buildup. If your water contains fluoride or salts, you may find that this causes the tips of Dracaena leaves to go brown. To avoid this, you can water with distilled or rainwater or simply trim the leaf tips. Fertilise in spring and summer with a well-balanced liquid fertiliser every 2 weeks or so, but don't worry if you forget. These plants seem to do well without it. This plant grows in spring and summer, and in winter slows down, becoming a little droopy like this one here. This is quite normal. It will also lose its lower leaves gradually, leaving characteristic scarring on the trunk. This is quite normal so long as the plant is pushing out new growth from its tips. The Madagascar dragon tree thrives in normal household temperatures of 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 21 to 26 Celsius. But don't place it anywhere where temperatures go lower than 60 Fahrenheit. Grow your plant in a position away from cold, desiccating drafts. In terms of maintenance, wipe the leaves occasionally to keep them dust-free and to aid photosynthesis, and remove any dried lower leaves. Your Dracaena can do well for years in the same pot and prefers to be underpotted rather than overpotted. Choose the next size pot and a well-drained mix. If the root ball is congested, loosen the roots when repotting. Enjoy your Madagascar dragon tree and happy growing!